Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna showing you how to invite friends, Facebook friends to a group. Okay, so in this case, you have to go to Facebook group first. Then you will find here on top invite option. Click on invite the plus icon with blue button. Then click on invite Facebook friends. Choose the first option. Now you can see all of your Facebook friends here. You can choose the Facebook friend and you have to click on this send invites, and then they will find in notification you have invited them to join here. If they click on accept, then they will be your group member. Okay, so if you want to search by specific name friends, you can search it like this and choose this one and click on send invites. If they accept the invitation, they will be here in the group. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.